The method for editing text in PDF files depends on the application you use to open the PDF file. Here, I'm using Nitro PDF Pro to open the PDF file. In this tutorial, I'll share how to do it. Go to the Erase menu in the PDF file opened with Nitro PDF Pro, then select Whiteout. Then, highlight the text you want to delete and replace with new text. A notification will appear. Click Yes, and the text will be immediately deleted. To add new text, go to the Home menu, then select Type Text. Then, click on the area you want to write, type your desired text, and adjust the font size and type to match the rest of the text. Then, adjust the position of the text you typed so that it aligns with the existing line. Then, save the edited PDF file. Easy, right? I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you find the explanation above unclear, I suggest you leave your questions in the comments section below. See you in the next video.